FAMA, shaping transformation. For more than 80 years, FAMA, a subsidiary of Vitro, has been a leader in the manufacture of machinery and equipment for the glass industry, integrating technology and solutions for automation and metal mechanic services. Our mission is to transform our customers' productivity to outstanding levels, integrating state-of-the-art technology and a highly committed team of experts that generate strategic alliances and integrated solutions that optimize operations, making them more productive and profitable. We maintain a world-class leadership vision, shaping and guiding transformation of our objectives with our strategic partners. Our competitive advantages position us at an outstanding leadership level in different markets across America, as well as Europe and Asia. Infrastructure. We have facilities that allow vertically integrated projects that range from design and iron casting to machining and assembly. Cultural transformation. Our staff is highly qualified at every level of the organization and constantly oriented to maintain our culture of transformation. Quality and innovation. We have a wide range of products and services that revolve around innovation with competitive prices, high-quality standards, and optimal delivery times. Our plant located in Monterrey, Mexico, has the capacity of more than 500 employees, total assembly area of 10,000 square meters, the full size of the machining center of 15,000 square meters, 4 induction furnaces with a melting capacity of up to 2 tons each one, 27 CNC machines and 24 conventional machines, heat treatment equipment, plating area for the PDI process, certified quality laboratories, with more than 85,000 square meters of infrastructure for the development of any project, regardless of its size. Our organization is recognized for its strengths, particularly our highly qualified team, oriented towards the values that represent us, such as customer service, operational excellence, innovation, sustainability, integrity, and teamwork, which guide us to provide an outstanding service. We have an excellent operational culture focused on objectives and agreements, maintaining personalized contact with our customers, enhancing operations and processes, and innovating to constantly improve our results in each one of our business units. Machinery and services for the glass industry. Machinery and services are recognized for providing integral solutions, offering products and services of machinery and equipment, spare parts, and technical assistance for the glass container industry. Automation. Automation excels for being a supplier of automation solutions in turnkey projects, precision manufacturing, and the development of specialized applications for the industry with the highest levels of efficiency. Metal mechanics. Metal mechanics is focused on developing gray and ductile iron casting for the design and manufacture of tooling and machine parts for diverse industries, offering the best solutions for our customers. We transform our customers' needs into high-end technological solutions, guided by the highest quality standards, excelling at a global level, generating strategic alliances with our customers and stakeholders, consolidating the operational excellence that distinguishes us in every location where we operate. FAMA is your strategic partner in machinery and services for the glass industry and customized solutions in automation, foundry, and metal mechanics. FAMA, shaping transformation.